Hey, good morning. So yesterday I interviewed a new developer. I worked with Andrew on one of our new communication protocols, and I prepared some tests for the new iteration of our Block Explorer. Today I'm having tons and tons of coffee, and I will be working with Abhishek on the Block Explorer. I'm making some progress on our drone project in Singapore. It's a really exciting one. And I'm preparing for a new product manager who's going to be joining the team this Wednesday. You're going to meet him very soon. See you tomorrow.
Hey there, DailyDAVers, Alec here. My day is going excellent. I started working with John and Rachel regarding creating press release kits to different companies that are joining the DAV Alliance network. That's going really well. Me and Hadar are planning tomorrow's event for our team. We're doing like a team building event. It's gonna be super awesome. We'll get you more updates. Bye.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I worked on corresponding with community members who have reached out to us with questions, and I prepared some customized partnership documents. Today I will be continuing with 3 more MOUs for some of our new partners, and I will be creating some internal workflow documents to ensure that our communications with our community members continues to be efficient and effective as the community continues to grow. See you next time.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporte here. So on Friday, my main focus was to do some additional work towards the executive summary of the white paper. Also went ahead and did some research around and continued research around the paid marketing campaign that we're putting together with our partner Blockchain.io, and then also worked on the brand guidelines with Theory because we're doing a total brand relaunch as well. And today, my main focus, actually this morning, we had a great call with our CTO, Tal. So working on our technology page, and then also working on the marketing strategy and that page strategy as well, because we have a few big meetings tomorrow regarding PR, paid marketing strategy. So a lot of great and exciting things happening. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.
Hi, everyone. Today is a new beautiful day, and my mind begins to generate new creative ideas. Today, at first, I'll work with our presentation task again. I'll make several variants with the map in last slide. Also, I'll continue work at my new favorite task, building inspection app. After then, I'll make 2 other color changes or our DAV brand guidelines. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.